afternoon, YouTube. Hi, everybody. So hopefully everybody's having a fantastic day. So here I am once again out on the FC09 and loving it. I tried out another camera position today, but I didn't like the way the camera was bouncing all over the place. So I removed it and we will try again later. I'll see if I can find something to stabilize it. I need a better handlebar mount, so I need to figure it out. Because there's got to be a solution that other people who ride these bikes use to have multiple cameras. But it's definitely not the windshield. So this road I've been on a bunch of times, so it's not going to be like a hugely complex thing for me because you know, it's a common road, but it's a road that I can't ride on when I ride with my other friend because he's so nervous of anything with a little bit of curve, twist, you know, sharp turns. I don't know why, but he has no problems popping a wheelie on his gold wing, but when it comes to twisties, yeah, he's not a huge fan. I do find it funny to see a gold wing go up in a wheelie though. It blows my mind because it's such a, as Sean calls it, a lardy. It's a big bike. Yeah, it's got a lot of torque and power to it, but my God, it also weighs like double this bike with me on it. Just the bike. Yeah. Ooh, something stinky. Has a little bit of a bump. You know, just getting out on the bike and enjoying yourself. That's probably the most important thing when you have one, is to actually enjoy it. I think I missed the rain here because there was definitely some rain earlier. The trees are still dripping it. Let's hope there's not a whole lot of gravel down here. Oh yeah, there's gravel, because why would they get rid of gravel, you know? This doesn't affect cars. Ooh, she's a bit wet back here. Like that. That's terrible. Oh, ow! I got what I deserved for making that joke. Kick in the crotch. Ouch. Yay, roads. I'm not a big fan of when critters get in my visor and I can see them crawling. Ugh. It's terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. There's one right now. Get out of here. On. Oh, still there. A little cute little building, isn't it? Right tucked up there. Beautiful. It's funny, I see different things each time I come through here. It never feels like the same ride. Your ponies. Like right now, look at that gravel. Look at that gravel. It's right there. This is definitely a lot easier for twisties because I can get out of the corners much quicker. I can decelerate pretty quickly. And I'm not even in rain. I'm not even in sport mode. Ah. Hopefully I didn't go very far with this. This is new. They must have resurfaced the... I hate when they resurface the roads like this. They just drop a layer of tar and drop a layer of stones, and eventually it'll work its way out. Hopefully it's not the whole road, otherwise I'm turning. I'm missing part of my road that I wanted to do. Ooh. Yeah, because there's no way I'm riding down this. No, I'm turning. I don't really feel like off-roading. Oh my God, they did the same thing over here. God, this feels so awkward. Please let them not have done the whole thing like this. Oh my God, they did the whole road. What the? They wrecked my road. I won't be able to ride down here for a while now because of this. And I know these roads needed some loving. But there's different types of loving that they could have given them. Alright, so at least it's not on this road. Yet. Hoping they never put it on this road, because this road is like way too much bike traffic. It's funny, I actually do prefer riding like this. Either with myself or with Sean. If given the choice, obviously with Sean every time, because he's adventurous as I am. Even if he does always keep a GPS. But he's not afraid to try new roads. Being in a group, you're in a group. Yeah, it's kind of cool. But it's more of shock and awe. Less of enjoying the ride. Oh, that was a bumpy ride. Yeehaw! Yeesh. My bike was trying to dislodge me or something. I hate this. I'm getting stereotyped right now. My plates are getting run.
Denied.
I definitely ran my plates. Oh, it's so blue. My glasses are getting yeekied.